Understanding the phrase, in play. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the phrase, in play. It's a common term used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning can greatly enhance your fluency. Let's break it down. In play originally comes from the world of sports. Imagine a ball game, like tennis or football. When the ball is within the boundaries and rules of the game, it's considered in play. In this sense, the term means the ball is active and the game is ongoing. Players can interact with the ball. For example, in tennis, if the ball lands inside the lines of the court, it's in play. Outside of sports, in play has taken on a more figurative meaning. In general contexts, it refers to something that is currently relevant, available, or being considered. Let's look at some examples. In business, if a company is considered in play, it means it's up for sale or acquisition. In politics, a topic or issue that's in play is currently being discussed or considered by politicians. In daily life, if someone says, all options are in play, they mean every possibility is being considered. For instance, when two businesses are discussing a merger, one might say, our company is now in play. Now that we understand the term, let's practice using it in various sentences. 1. The ball is still in play. Sports context. 2. With recent rumors of a takeover, that tech startup is definitely in play. Business context. 3. We haven't decided on the venue for the event, so all suggestions are still in play. General context. That wraps up our exploration of the term, in play. Whether you're watching a game or reading the news, now you'll know exactly what it means when something or someone is in play. We hope this lesson has been enlightening, and as always, happy learning!